Now Hassan's going to attempt the first one, which is considered to be anti-climb fencing, the 580. Hassan, can you please demonstrate us? Now Hassan is barefooted. He's not using any shoes nor slippers, so he'll try to climb it. Watch how he tried to climb the fencing. Now due to the smooth surfaces of the wire, his feet slide down and then he cannot grab to the wires inside unless he grab on the top part. So imagine if it's 2.4 meter height. Of course, the person cannot climb to the very top. So that's it then. So let's try the 380. Now the second one is our 380 series, famous among developers for the CCTVs and fiber optic wires. So now Hassan will try to demonstrate whether he can climb the 1.8 meter high right now. Hassan, please. Why, Hassan? Can you climb or not? Huh? Quite tough, is it? Yeah. Try one more time and then we call it a day then. Now even though the finger can go in, again, the factor here is that if it's very high, how will it happen? Do you injure yourself? Yes. Okay, so that's one apparent reason and evidence. Now this is the first mount its line for the perimeter fencing, the 680 series. The spacing is quite big, but let's see how well can Hassan climb it over. Hassan, please. A little bit more, Hassan. Come on, you can make it. Alright, that's the boy. Alright, now he's sitting on top right now. So is this considered your resting place? Yes. Alright, so climb. No, you have to complete the cycle. Go to the other side. Okay, so it takes about 30 seconds and 40, maybe 40 seconds then. Now Hassan, you already crossed over. Now try to come back to the other side. Okay. You know the trick now. You can sit on top. You have to pull your body first to the top and then, yes, that's how. And come on, break the record. 30 seconds. All that it took to climb over, 30 seconds. Now we're going to attempt the last of our series, which is 780, the new line of the perimeter fencing. Hassan, can you still do this? You're not injured or anything? Alright, so let's do this then. Okay, please climb. Now beware, there are sharp points on the top, which is the 30 mm protrude. Please do not injure yourself. I do not want to get you injured. If you cannot climb, please say so.